Ever wondered why some people seem to have it all figured out? They wake up excited to go to work while you can barely drag yourself out of bed. It's time to debunk the myth that dream jobs are just for a select few. Instead, let's explore the power of active job searching. This isn't your traditional job hunt, it's a method that puts you in the driver's seat. The key to landing your dream job isn't luck, it's strategy. Now, you may be asking, what is this active job searching and how does it work? Well, active job searching is a proactive approach that empowers you to take control of your career trajectory. It's not about sending out hundreds of generic resumes and patiently waiting for a response. Rather, it's about understanding your unique skills and passions and then identifying potential opportunities that align with them. Think of it this way. In traditional job searching, you're like a fisherman casting a wide net, hoping to catch something, anything. But with active job searching, you're like an archer carefully aiming for a specific target. So, where do we begin? The first step in active job searching is self-assessment. This involves taking a deep, introspective look at your skills, strengths, and passions. What are you good at? What do you love doing? What are your career goals? These are the questions you need to answer. Once you have a clear understanding of your professional identity, you can then begin to identify potential job opportunities that match your profile. You're not just sending out resumes, you're strategically connecting with potential employers, networking, and selling your unique value proposition. Active job searching may require more effort initially, but the payoff is well worth it. You'll find opportunities that align with your passions and skills, leading to a more fulfilling career. With active job searching, you're not just a job seeker, you're a job finder. So what's in it for you? Why should you invest your time and energy into active job searching? You might be asking this question, and rightly so. The answer is quite simple yet impactful. Active job searching doesn't just put you in the driver's seat of your career path, it also significantly increases your chances of landing your dream job. You're not just waiting for opportunities to come to you, but rather you're going out and creating them. Moreover, with active job searching, you're likely to experience a higher level of job satisfaction. You're choosing your job based on your passions, skills, and values, not just because it's available. This leads to a more fulfilling work life and ultimately a better quality of life in general. Active job searching isn't just about finding a job, it's about finding the right job for you.
Ready to embark on the journey to your dream job? Let's get started. Imagine a world where you wake up every morning excited to go to work. A world where you're not just clocking in and out, but living your passion. That world exists, and it's closer than you think. It starts with active job searching, a proactive approach that puts you in the driver's seat of your career trajectory. First, conduct a self-assessment. Know your strengths, your weaknesses, your passions, and your values. What type of work environment do you thrive in? What tasks or projects energize you? Which ones drain you? These are all critical questions to ask yourself. Next, set clear career goals. What does your dream job look like? What skills or qualifications do you need to get there? Be specific and be ambitious. Don't limit yourself to what's comfortable or familiar. Once you've done that, it's time to put your active job searching into motion. Research potential employers that align with your values and goals. Reach out to people in your dream job or industry and ask them about their experiences. You might be surprised at how many doors can open through a simple conversation. Don't forget to update your resume and cover letter to reflect your newfound clarity. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences, and don't be afraid to show your passion. And remember, rejection is a part of the process. It's not a reflection of your worth or capabilities. It's just a signal that you're pushing your boundaries and growing. Each no is a step closer to that yes you're striving for. Finally, stay patient and persistent. The path to your dream job isn't always linear, and it might take longer than you expect. But with each step, you're building resilience, gaining experience, and getting closer to your goal. Your dream job isn't as far away as you think. It's just one active search away.